As you navigate your Rio courses, you may notice a rubric show up in your assignments. Rubrics are grading tools that provide students with information about what is expected of them on an assignment. Sometimes it will be labeled grading rubric, or you might see it called grading criteria, or maybe it will appear as a section titled How You'll Be Graded. Whatever the label, these rubrics, which can look like pretty unexciting charts, provide a roadmap to help you know exactly what you need to include in your assignment in order to get the best grade possible. Rubrics also help your instructors too by giving them clear parameters about how to grade your work. So although they might look unexciting, they're actually really powerful tools that can help you to do your best. Let's dig into a few and show you how they work. This is an example of a general rubric that's used in an accounting class. This type of rubric is used in a number of Rio courses. On the left side of the rubric, we see the criteria that are going to be used to grade this particular assignment. 35% of the grade is going to be based on how well you evaluate the topic. 35% is based on how well you demonstrate critical thinking and analysis of the topic. 20% is based on how well you demonstrate your knowledge and application of it within the assignment. And 10% of the grade will be based off of how well you write and use your APA citation format. Within each of the specific criteria on the rubric, you will also have guidance about what it looks like to only minimally meet the standard or what it means to exceed it. If you exceed the standards as they are described in the rubric, you'll be at the top of the point range for that category, and if you only minimally meet the standard, you'll get fewer points. The criteria being looked at within a rubric will differ between courses and even between assignments. Let's look at another rubric example from this English course. In this rubric, the criteria by which you'll be graded appear on the left, and the points possible for each category appear on the right. For this particular assignment, you'll earn 10 points if you include a summary and it's cited correctly. If you were to not include a summary in your assignment, you can expect that you won't earn any points in this category. If you include a summary but you do not cite it correctly, you could expect that you would not earn the maximum 10 points for your work because you didn't complete everything that you were being asked to do when it came to summarizing. Remember to look at the rubric that you'll be graded from before starting and tackling an assignment. That way, you'll know what your instructor is expecting from you, and you can make sure that you meet those expectations. If you're unsure of what's expected on an assignment or need clarification about how a specific rubric is used, please reach out to your instructor for additional guidance.